Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is July 22nd, 2026, and here are the latest AI updates. Microsoft deepens Mistral deal. Outlook replaces Insights with Copilot. US eyes Chinese models. Judge GPT boosts court productivity. This episode is sponsored by Rocket Routine. Run your company with an AI operating system built for founders who want to move fast without losing control. Microsoft and Mistral expanded their strategic partnership in a deal Microsoft describes as totaling several billion US without further details. Microsoft will use part of Mistral's growing European AI infrastructure, built around thousands of NVIDIA GPUs of the Vera Rubin generation, and integrate Mistral Medium 3.5 and OCR 4 into Microsoft Foundry, with Medium 3.5 also in Copilot Studio. Companies can run Mistral models in Azure, in connected on-premises environments, or via Azure Local without external connections, a critical option for regulated sectors like hospitals, banks, and European authorities. Mistral gains Microsoft's sales reach, while Microsoft adds a European model option. The firms started cooperating in 2024. Microsoft will remove Meeting Insights from Outlook starting in mid-August 2026 and finishing in early September 2026, replacing it with Microsoft 365 Copilot Meeting Preparation. Meeting Insights currently surfaces related emails and files and calendar entries. Those automatic links will stop. Copilot's Meeting Prep summarizes relevant content, tasks, and documents the user can access and respects permissions. Beginning in mid-July 2026, Microsoft will add Copilot into the Outlook editor for users with a Microsoft 365 Copilot license. Initial rollout covers the web, the new Windows client, and mobile. macOS and classic Windows will follow later in 2026. Administrators do not need to change settings.
Ad break.
Your company has a strategy, but does it actually reach your team every single day? Most founders spend more time managing the system than running the business. Rocket Routine OS connects goals to daily execution using AI operators that work while you focus on what matters. Less firefighting, more output. Join the waitlist at rocket-routine.com. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said Tuesday the United States will examine Chinese open-source AI models for signs of intellectual property theft and could sanction firms if theft is found. Models such as Moonshot AI's Kimi K3 are advancing and may threaten firms like OpenAI and Anthropic. This follows prior steps limiting advanced chips and tightening export controls and signals a possible escalation targeting models themselves. Leaders disagree on distillation. Satya Nadella warned against assuming theft, and Clem DeLange said it is a small factor. Anthropic received approval to pay authors under a $1.5 billion settlement after a judge found it had downloaded millions of copyrighted books. A randomized field trial in Pakistan found that a GPT-4-based assistant called Judge GPT raised case clearance by about 6% when judges received targeted training. The study involved 1,559 judges at 118 courts, roughly half of the country's first-instance bench. Trained judges used the tool 4 times more, logging almost 60 sessions and over 200 prompts in 40 weeks. And districts with medium exposure closed about 1,848 extra cases per year. Case quality stayed stable and appeals fell slightly. Researchers estimate savings of about $38.50 per invested dollar. The effect required targeted training. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.